Okay, Red Deer River, young Jet. Oh, me, who almost forgot my fishing rod. Down here for my sister-in-law's birthday camp out. We're just here on a day trip. I figured let's hit the river, see if we can catch some fish, make another video for you guys. You might remember the trip here with Dan and Bretsky, and it was a multi-species day. You know what? At the end of the video, there'll be a link to that video. We were upriver, we caught a bull, a rainbow, a cutthroat, a couple more cutthroats, some whiteys. Today, be happy to catch whatever. We're gonna head up there. There's a little pool just around the corner. We're going for a walk and see what we can catch. So stick around. Another interesting thing that I forgot to mention, there are wild horses in this area. And of course, when you're out here, guys, this is grizzly country. So make some noise, be aware of your surroundings. I don't know the proper thing to do. Everyone's got a theory on how to avoid grizzlies till they get bit. So like Mike Tyson said, they all got a plan till they get punched in the face. Well, we all know how to deter a grizzly till he's chewing on us. So guys, just be careful when you're out fishing. Watch back. Let's get to fishing. How do you like that transition? All you haters out there on my transitions. Anyway, check it out. Looks like a nice little slip here. Spots where if I was a trout, I'd hang out. So let's go check it out. Okay, how come every time I see a fishing spot, it's on the other side of the river? Whew. For the record, you guys, this is cold. It's almost getting to the jiggly bits. I think we fish here. All right, a little shallower. Oh no, a little deeper. This is just flipping chilly. Whew. Okay, that's getting deeper. I can't do that. It was a little hotter, maybe, right? Alright, we just crossed over. It got a little too deep. This water's cold. This water's cold. But we're gonna keep trying. Holy cow. Alright, we've got to get out of this water. Oh, it is cold. Alright guys, something that we always talk about is finding where the fish hide. Might as well use this educational moment. So if you guys are gonna look, I'll look at the river. So we got quite a current going by. And look at this big rock. And there's like nothing behind it. Off to the side, you know, look at the spinner going. But you get into there, spinner just drops to the bottom. Alright, on the bottom, come out here, whoop, up goes the spinner. So you're always looking for rocks with kind of a calm looking spot behind it. This is a bit shallow, a bit close to the shore, but you know, if you can see that kind of stuff out in the river, you want to try to get your lure through there. Fish are lazy. They want the food to come to them like a conveyor belt. But right now, they ain't buying what I'm selling. Anyway, let's get back at her. I'll tell you when I got a fish on. We'll come back. Over here, Jet.
Over there.
I'm thinking, okay, you go up a bit. I'm gonna sit on this rock here. Ooh, that looks like a better sitting rock. Not so sharp on the booty like that last rock. All right, man, is that water deep and clear? Look at this beautiful waterfall. Sometimes coming out fishing, it's just worth seeing stuff like that. A beautiful backdrop with the mountain, the waterfall, this big deep hole. We gotta fish this. Look, there's a sitting rock. What? No! No, 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 no. Well, we're gonna lose that one. Oh, that actually came shooting back. Look at that. Saved it. Sitting in his throne. Yeah, to just chill out. All right, fish good. Oh, that is pretty comfy. All right. That is super comfy. Oh, yeah, I got a comfy river lazy boy chair, followed by a beautiful symphony and good company. But most importantly, me. This literally is why we go outdoors, eh? Whoa! My chair's falling apart. All right, well, the river is fast, the river is clear. We're gonna head back, get a bite to eat. We walked pretty far on the rocks, my knee's pretty sore. So let's get a bite to eat, maybe drive up to a different spot later on. Fish will be coming with us, the jetfish, and see what we can find. Big giant spider.
Oh, he's attacked it.
He's gonna run up that stick and bite you.
I hope not.
Look at his hands way up. Hey, they're allowed. Hey. All right. All right, switching back over. Chartreuse. This time, I'm gonna go down to the river, cross the stream right now, and go down, down, down. So, see if we catch some fish. Let's get back at her. Let's do a flip on this one. Foam is home. Fish on, guys. Haven't seen them yet. Oh, would look like a bull trout at first glance. Let's go in the water. That is a nice bull trout. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna get my pliers. We'll get you off, okay? All right, let me pick you up. So I can do the customary fishing with Paul B, baby. Look at the size of that guy. Oh, okay. Okay guys, literally where you see the foam swirling, that's where I caught that guy. Remember guys, that's where the back eddies are, that's where the current is. Guys, girls, choose not to sayers, I don't know what to say anymore. But anyway, fisher people, foam is home. Fish the foam. That's where there's just a nice little pool.
Fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B.